Hi boys and girls, welcome to Writer's Workshop. Today we're going to be seeing an example of an opinion writing, and then we're going to start doing our opinion writing if we have time. So let's review what is an opinion writing. What is an opinion? When you give your opinion, you are telling others what you think or how you feel about something. Now, in opinion writing, you have to think, what is your opinion? I need to think about it. So this person is thinking about apples, and there's red, yellow, and green. Then you need to decide what is your opinion? Which one do you really like? And this person picked green apples. And then down here you need to explain. So it's think, decide, explain. And they wrote it down to explain it. I like green apples because they are sour. So I'm going to go ahead and give you an example of how I'm going to think, decide, and explain. And I'm going to use this paper right here. The question says, what would you like to eat for a snack? An apple or a donut? So I need to think, which one would I like to eat for a snack? I need to think, and then I need to decide. Okay, I decided an apple. I would like an apple for snack. Now I need to explain. So as I get ready to explain, I need to remember as I'm writing that I can put finger spaces between my words. So I've decided I'm going to write about how an apple would be my choice. So let's look and see some examples of how I could write to share my explanation about why I feel like an apple would be the best thing. This is about dogs. And the first sentence says, dogs make good pets. That's the opinion. And they're sharing, that's how they're explaining. So we're going to explain, or Miss White's going to explain, why I think an apple would be a good snack. I would like to eat an apple. Okay, now this is a connector word right here because, and we're not going to write any more. We're going to do a little bit more looking to find out how I can explain that. I would like to eat an apple because now I have to think of why do I want to eat that apple. So let's look at an example. We had dogs make good pets. That was the opinion. And then we have some more sentences. They love to play and fetch balls. Dogs are very smart. Those are the reasons. So I need to come up with a reason why an apple would be a good snack. I would like to eat an apple because, I'm thinking so I can explain. I've got it. Apples are a healthy snack. So I'm finished with my writing. If my time is up for today, I would put my writing away where it belongs. So now that I'm all done with my writing, it's your turn. Are you ready to start your opinion writing? Now you're not going to write about an apple or a donut, so let me show you what materials you're going to need. You need a pencil. You need this writing paper with a lion and a fish as your options. And you need your Fix-It-Up checklist. If you don't have those items, I want you to pause the video and go and get them now. Welcome back. Now, boys and girls, you may not have time to get all of your writing done today because thinking and deciding and then explaining our writing of our opinion might take longer than one day. So your teacher might give you the rest of today that you have time to work on this activity, and then tomorrow. So let me read you what it says. What would you like to have as a pet? a lion or a fish. So you need to think, which one of those would you like to have as a pet? Did you decide? Great. Now you're ready to explain. And I'm going to read the sentence that is here for you to fill in. I would like to have a, right here in your neatest writing, you're going to write lion or fish, whichever one you circled. Pause the video while you do that now. Good job. Now that you've picked your animal, there's the word because. And you need to explain your reason of why you would pick a lion or a fish. Remember as you're writing to leave finger spaces between your words. I can't wait to read your writing as you finish sharing your opinion.